OJIBWE! And welcome back to BOUZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. BOUZHOO! And today, our OJIBWE word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? I got all wound up and ready to go, but we didn't talk about it where it should be.
How about love?
Oh, what? Yeah, that's a good idea. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. GOFUNDME, love. We've been talking about the 7 grandfather teachings, and how like we started off with, what was it, honesty, and we did humility, and yesterday, what did we do yesterday?
Bravery.
Oh yeah. And so today I thought we would do love. So what is love? You know, sometimes they want to tell you, oh, there's many kinds of love. There is platonic love, the love you have for your buddies. That's different than the love you have for your girlfriend. Girlfriend love is romantic love.
Yeah.
And then you can say, oh, you know what? I really love, whatever. I love chocolate cake. Is that the same kind of love as the love you have for your dog? You know, what is love? Everyone knows what I'm talking about, but nobody can define it. Love. It's a strong affection. Love. What's a good love song? Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. GOFUNDME, love. You can't start it with a key, and you can't stop it with a bullet. I don't know. I guess I thought I'd be more inspired talking about love.
Yeah.
You know, love is the answer. What was the question?
Yeah.
Some people say God is love.
Yeah.
Whatever that means. Maybe love is God. Love maybe proves the existence of a soul. That could be. Because love is one of those weird things. It's not, you don't just decide in your brain, oh, I'm going to love that person.
Yeah.
It's almost like love chooses you. You know? Which is more powerful, love or hate? I don't know. I mean, the old romantic in me wants to say love, of course.
Yeah.
But, I don't know, you get a lot done with hate, too. So GOFUNDME, love. Man, I didn't do this one justice today.
That's good.
Well, hey, do you want to send us out?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Well, everybody, I know what I love. I love our viewers. I love you. Gizagain. I love you. I love you for watching. Thank you for watching BOUZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is NANABOOZHOO. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minawa. Hawa. And give Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. Give us a thumbs up if you love the show.